Oppo would improve the photo quality of the Find X5 Pro thanks to its merger with OnePlus. Oppo would take advantage of the partnership between OnePlus and Hasselblad to mention the Swedish photo brand on its future Find X5 Pro. For almost a year, we have been witnessing an increasingly pronounced rapprochement between Oppo and OnePlus. If, at first, this rapprochement seemed to be one way with mid-range OnePlus smartphones or the integration of ColorOS on OnePlus smartphones, it seems that Oppo will in turn benefit from certain functions and partnerships until now reserved for OnePlus. As spotted by leaker Ben Jeskin, a visual is indeed circulating on the Chinese social network Weibo. We can discover the back of the Oppo Find X5 Pro not only with its photo module stamped with the words "Power by Silicon," but also the name of Oppo's photo partner for the different cameras of the smartphone, Hasselblad. For anyone who follows the smartphone industry closely, this partnership didn't come out of nowhere. Indeed, Hasselblad had already partnered with OnePlus last year for the photo modules of its OnePlus 9 and OnePlus 9 Pro. A partnership which consisted in particular for the camera manufacturer to bring its experience in terms of colorimetry, and by adding some well-felt photo modes, such as the X-Pan panoramic mode with a 65:24 framing. A partnership between Oppo and Hasselblad that could come from OnePlus. Therefore, by getting closer to OnePlus, Oppo could in turn benefit from the partnership concluded last year between the two brands. It must be said that photo partnerships are essential for the brand image of smartphone manufacturers. Like Huawei with Leica, or Vivo with Zeiss, this allows young manufacturers to rely on decades of know-how in photography, optics or color calibration to offer cameras ever more efficient. However, these partnerships are often exclusive, and it is rare for a photo manufacturer to partner with several smartphone brands at the same time. It is therefore probably following the agreement between OnePlus and Hasselblad that Oppo can proudly display the logo of the Swedish brand. Remember that Hasselblad is not a newborn in the world of photography. Founded in 1841, the Swedish company has been offering medium-format photo cameras since the 1940s, first in silver and then digital. It is now one of the few camera manufacturers to offer bodies with such large sensors, alongside Fujifilm and Pentax. The Oppo Find X5 Pro is due to be presented in the coming months. It should have a Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chip, a 120Hz QHD Plus screen, a 5000 mAh battery, and a triple camera module with wide-angle, ultra-wide-angle and telephoto on the back.